Dan gets set. Mom makes supper. Dan helps. Dan helps too. Dan sets the table. Dan counts the forks and the spoons. Dan counts the plates. Dan counts the glasses. Dan counts the napkins. Dad, and Dan sits down to eat. What is missing? Dan forgot to count himself. The end.
Good job, babe.